Want to create Spotify artist account? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily create Spotify artist account. First thing first, move into Safari and in the address bar search for Spotify for Artists. Now head over to the very first site. Once you're in this official page, click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner of the screen. And then you have to click on Get Started. Now you need to log in into your specific Spotify account. Let me click on Continue with Facebook for now. Tap on Continue. Wait for a while for it to load. Once you're in this page, you will see the option where it says Artist or Manager. Click on it. If you do not have any of the music on live yet, then click on Music Not Yet Live on Spotify. In this page, you will be able to see all the information on how you can easily create artist account. Simply follow the on-screen process and then create your Spotify artist account. Sometimes they might request you to pay certain amount in order for you to create artist account. Just follow the on-screen process and then your artist account will be created. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.